Yeah, definitely. The next thing I got to ask you is a stupid question, but I think people need to understand this question is, Brandon, everyone can watch all your Instagram stuff, your YouTube stuff. They can listen to, like, everything you do, like all your content. But is there a substitute between actually going out there on the field and actually getting the dirt in the trenches, talking to a seller versus watching content and trying to learn it from there?
Yeah, no, there's no substitute. There's no substitute at all. I don't.
Okay.
I don't think there is. I
Uh,
think that it's all based on experience.
Okay. And what would you say is the best way for someone who's new to get that experience?
I think the best way is to honestly pick up the phone and dial. It's the best way. The
It's so
best way.
simple.
Yeah, it really is simple because you want to know something. You can. It's like, you ever heard one of those sayings, which is like, "What would you do if whatever?" Right? And
Mm.
that's why it is that. What would you do if? Right? So I'm talking about it, but it doesn't mean that I'm really gonna do that, right? If somebody broke into my house, I'm gonna say, "Well, listen, you know what? I'm gonna call the cops and I'm just gonna lock myself in a room." But what if somebody broke into my house? I can't. I haven't experienced that yet, right?
Mm.
I don't know what I might do. So at the end of the day, the best, what cures everything, guys, is experience. But with before the experience, you do want to be knowledgeable, right? You want to be knowledgeable because here's the thing, right, Zach? That when you're not knowledgeable in something, you tend to ramble, and when you ramble, people know, and then they're automatically like, "Wait, you're an expert, you're an investor, you buy 2 to 3 properties a month, but now you're sounding like you don't know what you're talking about," right? So if you're knowledgeable in something, you're confident. And if you're confident, you can build experience. Because you got to understand, right, Zach? I'm 24 years old, 25, and I'm coming up to these homeowners in a faded Infinity. I'm talking about my paint, like one side of my car was literally charcoal gray, and the car is black, right? And I'm also coming out, young guy, right? Young guy, young guy coming out of the car. This is the person they talk to on the phone. And in my head, I'm like, they're not going to believe me. Like, I just said, I'm going to buy your house for 100,000. I have $100. Now, how do I get them to understand that, that this is possible, right? And what it was knowledge, man. It was honestly knowledge, right? So that's why I would say experience, getting out in the field and doing it.
I mean, it's crazy. Like, you had $100, you pulled up in that Fade Infinity and you got the deal.
Yeah.
I did the same thing. What, when you started
Yeah.
17, 2004 Honda Accord, dents everywhere, came
Yeah.
out the same thing, looking young.
There
Guys,
you
if
go.
you're watching this, like, we had no money starting out and we still got deals, tens of thousands of dollars. Like, it drives me crazy when people make excuses. It just, um, thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.